let me be very brutal and frank to you all. Corruption must stop now. And I would address to all Filipinos who want to do something for your country. I never had the opportunity because walang yung nagyayaya sa inyo. Ngayon na ninyo gawin kasi ako na. Ayaw ko talaga ng corruption. It makes me sick.
President Rodrigo Duterte has signed Executive Order 43 creating a Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission. This is part of the President's promise to Filipinos to make the Philippines graft-free and to deter the misuse of public funds. The Executive Order defines the power and functions of the Commission to investigate corrupt government officials with salary grades of 26 and above, including presidential appointees. Upon the instruction of the President, the Commission can investigate presidential appointees in the armed forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police. The Commission has the authority to make a motu proprio investigation, same as the Office of Ombudsman. Erring government officials or personnel may be subjected to a lifestyle check.
A few moments later.
Ito. Noong 2016, runner-up lang si Pangulo bilang most corrupt. Siya ay kinilala ng Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project. Pero noong 2017 ay nag-level up si dating Pangulong Duterte at siya na po yung naging awardee at kinilala ng People of the Year being the most corrupt. At inamin din naman po niya sa kanyang statement ni Pangulong Duterte na siya ay corrupt at siya ay nagnakaw. Pero naubos na nga lang.